Hey everybody, it's your man Stan. Now, what y'all don't know about me is that back in the day, your boy used to be a certified stunner. Well, I mean certified, I mean professional. Like I have all the ladies. Anyways, a couple of years ago, I was talking to this very beautiful, amazingly talented girl, gorgeous. I wasn't in love, but I was sure close. It started with me and my friend. We were outside playing football, with the Frody. And you ever had that feeling that like somebody's just like watching you? That's what I had. Like I turned around so quick, like I caught whiplash in the process of turning around. Oh my gosh, there she was. I don't know if it was the way the sun was hitting her, or that's making her look so gorgeous, or if it's the fact that I've been outside in my jacket all day and my eyes are practically on fire. But I had to go talk to this girl, so I just started walking over to her, and coincidentally she was walking towards me too. Without a word, she just walks over and starts unzipping my jacket, like without my permission. She doesn't even ask me or nothing. I don't even know her name. And I was just like, okay, I'm gonna see where this goes. My confidence is on 10 right now. And that's like on a scale of 1 to 5. My confidence on 10. I didn't know though, like where she was trying to take this, cause like in my head, I couldn't process this correctly. I was just like, we're like in the middle of a field right now, surrounded by people. What's she trying to do? She's already in my bubble. I don't even know her name. But I give her my signature Stanley stare, and don't go trying to steal it, and I do it like any man would try to do. I went in for the kiss, and when I was leaning in, all I heard was the whistle. No! It was time for us to go inside. Needless to say, I didn't get the kiss, and actually a couple of months later, we actually did start talking though, and we actually dated. And there's a part 2 to this, talking about how we actually ended up breaking up. So if you like this video, I'll give you that. It's a wrap. See you guys next time.